Hello, hello everyone. It is garden time here at the Troyer home, and we are getting ready for our garden, our vegetable garden. And just wanted to let you know some tips about biodegradable ways to put your seeds in for starting seeds in the house. We start about a good month out, so in about mid-April, they'll be ready to transport into our garden. So these are just egg cartons. These are little cardboard cups. We like to use Dixie cups, and with many people having toilet paper these days. Little joke there, inside joke. It is year of 2020. We'll look back on this and be like, toilet paper. You cut a toilet paper roll in half, tape the bottom, and it'll be ready to stick in the ground. And then got some topsoil, and we're gonna have fun. I'm gonna do okra seeds in these right here, and yeah, so let the fun begin. So I've got the okra, Clemson spineless, and I have put them in the little eggshell cardboard cartons, and we will put them inside and get our garden growing in April. So I'll poke these in about 1 inch deep and watch them grow inside. Well, here we go. Indoor garden seeds. We've planted in different containers, and what I showed you earlier, some biodegradable containers. So we've got a lot of variety here, and it's nothing fancy, but this is indoor gardening, and we are excited. We've got peppers and okra and herbs, cilantro and tomatoes, parsley, all kinds of great things. This is beets and spinach. So I'm just so excited. We'll be putting in our garden here before too long, and we're in the state of Missouri, so usually about mid-April or so you're about good to go without any frost hitting your plants. But if there is a little frost scare, just make sure they're covered. And yeah, so we're excited. We're getting our seeds sprouting and more to go. Trinity, what do you think of our seeds growing in the house?
Good.
You spraying them?
Yeah.
Watering them? We have them right by our patio window, so they get a lot of sun and warmth, and we spray all of our little seed and plants down with a spray bottle with purified water. Look at them grow, grow, grow. We're excited, aren't we, Trinity, for our garden coming soon in April.
Cucumber.
Yay, cucumber.
They're going so well.
Yeah. Thank you, Jesus, for our soon-to-be produce.